Today we are going to discuss effector mechanism of immune system. So basically how this immune system is working to remove that foreign cells as well as foreign particles. So it is a means by which foreign cells are destroyed or particles are removed. So in detail of this effector mechanism that we will look. So first of all, that is cell mediated immunity, that is also called as CMI in a short form. So following are the major activities of T lymphocytes, and that is listed here. So there are lots of activity of this T lymphocyte, and that is leading to the cell mediated immunity. So 80% or majority of cell in this lymphocyte that is belonging to this T cell. So first function of this cell mediated immunity, that is immunity against any infection. So T cell mediate effective immunity against bacteria such as mycobacteria, many viruses and all parasites. So all these immunity are shown basically by this T lymphocyte, and that is called CMI. So further function of this T lymphocyte, that is rejection of allografts. So when an organ is transplanted from one person to another, simple any kidney transplant or the liver transplant, body tries to reject such organs mainly by T cell mediated mechanism. So rejection of particular organ or tissue, that is with the help of this T cell. So that is considering us as a non-self or not belonging to own body cell, and so that kind of rejection is appeared. So further cell mediated immunity, tumor cell destruction. So T cell activity is predominant in killing tumor cells also. So what are the uncontrolled cell division, and that is not under our body control, then it is also killed as a tumor cell by this T cell. So T cell is having so many activity as a cell mediated immunity. Further, this T cell is also working as a helper function. So that is called T helper cells are a subgroup of cell which carry CD4 determinant on the cell surface, and this CD4 that is helping as a helper function. So this CD means cluster determinant. Further, they are necessary for optimal antibody production by plasma cell and for generation of the cytotoxic, or that is more able to destroy that particular foreign particles quickly. So that is cytotoxic T cell, for that optimal activity it is needed. So that is working as a helper function to promote the function of antibody production as well as production of a cytotoxic T cell. Suppressor function, that is also a belonging to this cell mediated immunity. T suppressor cells are CD8 positive cells. They grow, they downregulate the activity of both T and B cells when sufficient destruction of foreign particle is done. So that is another function, that is suppressor function. So T cell is doing helper function as well as suppressor function. So that all are the basically effector mechanism of this cell mediated immunity. Further, production of lymphokines. So T cell when stimulated by antigen liberate cytokines and lymphokines at the inflammatory cells. So when over the inflammatory site these particular molecules cytokines and lymphokines are liberated, further immune system will be activated and further collection over that particular site of this immune cell that is possible, and that is also possible with the help of these lymphokines. Delayed type hypersensitivity. So overreaction of immune system, that is simply called as a hypersensitivity. So resulting in unwanted tissue destruction due to overactivity of our immune system. So responsible for caseation and lung cavity formation in the case of tuberculosis, granulomatous skin lesions in leprosy, herpes simplex, and contact hypersensitivity of chemical and plant product, that is also belonging to this hypersensitivity. So apart from that all important function of immune system, one drawback, that is hypersensitivity, and that is also due to this cell mediated immunity. That all are the basic effector mechanism. Further, in relation to this humoral immunity, so antibody basically produced by the plasma cell are, these antibody are basically a immunoglobulins. So this antigen antibody reaction leads to the activation of complement system which destroy the foreign cells. So that is also known as a ADCC, that is called, A means antibody dependent cell mediated cytolysis. Antibody dependent cell mediated cytolysis, basically it requires the antibody. So affected cells are called killer cells. So they are also called a killer cell, or sometimes asked as what is K cell, that is basically effector cell for this ADCC, they are called a killer cell. The natural killer cells indicate the intrinsic ability to destroy virally infected cells and tumor cells. So that is particular virally infected cell and tumor cells are destroyed with the help of these natural killer cells. So that is also showing that ability of immune system to identify that type of cell and destroy them, particularly to avoid any disease. Further, macrophages. Phagocytosis is a mechanism by which body tries to eliminate invading organisms. It may be bacteria, virus or parasite. So foreign material are ingested by the phagocytosis and later digested intracellularly, means inside the cell. So myeloperoxidase present inside the phagocyte destroy the bacteria. So when a foreign particles enters the body, the macrophage phagocytes it and present the antigen or to the lymphocytes. So once it is showing inside the lymphocyte, exactly how it is occurring, that we will look in this picture. So bacterium become attached to the membrane invagination called pseudopodia. So basically over these particular foreign particles, that pseudopodia or is generated by this particular cell. Further, what happened, bacterium is ingested forming the phagosome. So these, what are these bacteria that is ingested by this cell and that is leading to formation of the phagosome. Whatever the ingested molecule that is remain in that vacuole. Further, phagosome that will fuse with the lysosome. So here that lysosome that will fuse with the phagosome. Now you are knowing that lysosome containing all the hydrolyzing enzyme. It can hydrolyze carbohydrate, lipid, protein or nucleic acid. So all hydrolyzing enzyme that will release or directly act over this bacterium. So lysosomal enzyme digests the captured material. So because it is containing all hydrolyzing enzyme that can easily digest that any foreign particle which is ingested by this particular cell. Further, digestion products are released from the cell. So ultimately this digested and destroyed and that will be released. So that is basically how this macrophage will work, that is shown in the picture. So that is explaining how exactly effector mechanism of our body of or our immune system is working inside our body.